Fantastic. Here it is. Chris, Benjamin, I think you're out here somewhere. Phenomenal, phenomenal design. Obviously, we kept the Scout super short overhang, which gives you great credibility on that front. Beautiful proportions. Of course, the design element from the Scout 80. This concept you see itself was back to the Scout roots and obviously created for the farm. That's why you see the silo green metallic paint, 37-inch wheels, the bull bar, and of course the roof racks, chase lights, all the things you need to manage a tool like this on the farm. I think that's true of this Scout. What's true of all Scouts is exactly what you see behind me. This balance of proper old world tech that Americans love. We know how to open door handles. We know how to use switches. Bench seat connects me, which is exactly the connection that I've been looking for. So yes, it's a little 50s, 60s, but it's spot on for right now and what's happening. Also loaded with new tech. You see this in the joint venture software, over-the-air updates, and of course, harvester technology that only the group and Scout can deliver. So ladies and gentlemen, this is the Terra, and then I close. You have to focus on a massive ambition. Phenomenal products, authentic brand, the heritage, and frankly, the chance of a lifetime right now in America with how the glaciers are moving. And I promise you, Scout won't miss this chance of a lifetime. Thank you very, very much. Thank you.